Hi Face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We're giving you sleep, Face. We just woke up and heading to breakfast. Second day at Disneyland. If you guys wondering where we're at,
We're at the Cowboy Western movie.
we're in dun, 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 dun.
Cowboy Western movie.
That's what the village looks like. If you guys can see, I didn't show you guys yesterday, but that's what the village look like where we are staying. The hotels look like a cowboy theme. So another day in Disneyland, another day on vacation, and we're heading to breakfast at 7 o'clock because because we want to get an early start on the park. Today is our last day here, so let's see what we'll accomplish today. Yes, Ty?
Exactly. When we go back to this, I need to continue what Toy Story. I didn't finish it as yet.
Absolutely, you can do that. Anyway, you guys, we had a good night's rest. We went to bed early, so that was good. And now we're getting an early start to the day. We just need to go back to our hotel to pick up our suitcase and bring them to the car and then head to the park. So let's go see what breakfast has to offer and then head out. So enjoy today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Here, babe, tomorrow. Not true. Later. They're having the usual orange juice and hot chocolate, croissants, and we're waiting for other plates to come. So breakfast is going down and Minnie's having butter. Hot. Because are the beans.
Yeah, I want to taste something different than you.
So baby, I'm having American breakfast, they say. Baby's having British breakfast. And Tyler is having everybody's breakfast.
I'm having French breakfast.
Alright, I will say that too. Day 2 going in Disneyland. Yeah. Every time we come in here, me feel. Oh, let's Sarah go see Mickey. Sarah, look. Sarah. Who is that? Go and push her to the front. Sarah, look up there. Look. Look there, Sarah. Look up! Look up! Mickey! Wow! Clap!
Wow, day 2 of Disney! Sarah! Sarah, who is that? Look at her face! Woo! Wave, Sarah, wave! Say hi! Sarah, look up! Wow! Wow!
Woo! Look! Oh, this is so cute. Hey. Hey. Go. Go, girl. Woo! Yay! Wow. Wave, Sarah, wave. Wave, Sarah, wave. Say cuckoo, Minnie. Cuckoo, Minnie, Sarah. Sarah enjoyed that so much. You guys, day 2, and Sarah and I are on carousel. Hi, princess. Say hello. Say cuckoo, hold on tight. Yeah, good girl. And Papa and Tyler is going to the Star Wars. So Sarah and I are chatting alone, and Papa, because it's not even to the Star Wars, it's to a fast ride that they gone to. So it's best they go without me because it's early and because we stay at the hotel. So we get a chance to come in the park 1 hour before the opening time. So we're making use of that time before the crowd hits. So Sarah can enjoy all the rides she wants before the crowd. So that is stay line long. Happy test. Hey, you ready? Entire group has reached for the teacup. Tyler and Babe got back from their big ride.
That I was scared.
Tyler said, Babe said Tyler must cry.
When did you dance? You were brave.
Yeah, brave boy, Ty.
I was sad.
You're sad? That's okay. It's an experience, right?
It was like you after the
Mama did it, you know, one day, similar one, and my mama was cried too.
Indiana Jones avec papa. Et quand maman l'a fini, elle était comme ça, elle a fait des pleurs au
Whoa! Across the hall we go. Whoa! Looking where I'm going, I get dizzy. No line, going through to Pinocchio right now. The advantage of staying at the hotel, you get 1 hour to enjoy the park before the crowd, and that's absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite word, absolutely. Amazing. Wow! 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 Popcorn, Sarah, look! Popcorn!
So guys, we are in the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Where's my turf? Wow. Wow. You want to tell me that? This will normally be the line to go all the way out?
Oh, and starting out. Once you think you're in, you think you're in, you think you're in, you think you're rich. No, there's still a big, big one inside. The other one was worse than that. So when we were outside. I mean, once you reach inside, it's just the beginning. Inside is walls. Alright, let's enjoy this ride.
Quand j'ai fait ici, là, je vais voir sur l'eau.
Tyler?
Aladdin, we're in Aladdin right now. Who's that, Sarah? Aladdin. Elephants. The magic carpet tie. That's the magic carpet. We're walking through Adventureland right now. That's the one Papa and Babe and Tyler did this morning. But it's too fast for Princess.
And
Look at it coming.
sometimes it's going under the river. Because it's starting there to cross, you have to go under the river. So it's in the dark, full dark.
Wow.
So the cruise has started.
Beaucoup d'entre vous présents à bord aujourd'hui, je suis originaire du
Tyler.
et c'est donc un plaisir de pouvoir m'adresser à vous dans ma langue maternelle. Tout l'équipage se joint à moi pour vous souhaiter la bienvenue à bord du Molly Noir.
Inside.
Oh oui, nous avons d'ailleurs l'immense honneur de compter parmi les passagers d'aujourd'hui.
The resting cruise.
Yeah, I was telling you to catch the train when it's coming up this fast lane.
Shucks, Captain, how you do go? Bonjour, folks. You see, I speak a little French myself. Yes, sure thing, Captain. Let's show these folks the sights.
Là-bas, sur cette colline, se dessine le manoir des Ravensburg. Il appartenait au propriétaire de la ville de Newfoundland.
Pensez également à vous laver les mains souvent et soigneusement et à garder une distance physique d'au moins 1 mètre entre votre en suivant de votre patience et de votre coopération et vous souhaitons la plus magique des journées.
For everyone's health and safety, please wear a face mask. Cover your mouth and nose with coughing and sneezing. Wash your hands, foot motions, and respect physical distance.
Lunchtime, you guys, nachos and cheese, barbecue wings, nuggets, and fries. Sarah already ate her lunch.
Donc de bien vouloir suivre les instructions données par les hôtes et les hôtesses de l'attraction tout au long de votre aventure. Nous vous remercions de votre patience et de votre coopération et vous souhaitons la plus magique des journées.
For everyone's health and safety, please wear a face mask. Cover your mouth and
Sarah, look.
Bien choisi son moment pour envoyer du nouveau produit.
Hi, bye.
Très bien, vos Rangers de l'espace, écoutez attentivement.
I am the winner.
You guys, the first time my kids having cotton candy. It's yummy. Yummy. But they have it in the bucket. All right, come on.
We have a red car behind us. I'm sure the woman driving. Allez, on accélère. D'accord? Allez, boum, 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 boum. Allez. Driver Tyler. Oh là là, c'est bon? C'est bon, driver Tyler? And Tyler learning how to drive. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Oups! Allez, allez, slow down. Allez, allez, c'est bon? C'est bon? And Mama is just behind. Allez, allez. So we are in a new adventure.
Woof woof, sorry, look, the woof woof.
Woof, woof.
That's a nice photo from honey, stop cut off my head. Stop cut off my ears. Alright, sorry, look, sorry. Look, the woof woof. No, we have to come out and... So we are exiting Disney Studios right now.
Look,
We had a good time there. Now we are gonna try and find some souvenirs. I already got my souvenir from yesterday, that's for sure. Don't know if I see anything else that I want. Can go in this one. How cute these are. They are so adorable. Trying to find something for the kiddos. There are hats. There's just about everything you can think of. Their shirts. Oh. Ta-da! She got her cup and he got his Yoda. Happy?
Et les programmes des parcs, voir les temps d'attente pour les attractions et bien plus encore. Nous vous rappelons
And the moment has come for us to leave the happiest place on earth.
Yes.
si vous êtes détenteur d'un billet non daté ou d'un pass annuel et avez réservé votre accès au parc Disney pour aujourd'hui,
Bye bye Disneyland. It was good while it lasted for 2 days, honey. We'll miss you. How was your 2 days?
It was good.
And who you have in your hand? Show them what you have in your hand. Ah, frightening.
The boy, you show him all of the Mickey, all of the Disney toys.
And he takes Star Wars. Load.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Dad. Ready to go?
I am.
Tyler, say bye bye Disney.
Bye bye, Disney. And I get to electricity you.
Whatever he said. Anyway, you guys, the 2 days here has been amazing. What say you, babe?
It was great. I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy about everything we have done, and yeah, I had 2 very good days. 2 days is a good time. 1 day short, 3 days is too long.
Oh yeah.
2 days is very good.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Perfect time.
We've done almost everything that we could have done with the kids. That's for sure. Anyway, you guys, we are gonna peace out the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch fun, keep up, and the vacation still not done yet. We still have at least a week left to go on this vacation road trip journey. So stick and stay, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Princess, ready to go home? Say bye bye, Mickey. Bye bye, Mickey.